We're at the Global Sources Launchpad. Thank you for coming, and we've got some beautiful plants here to show you. This is electronics. This is the Internet of Things, by the way. Internet of Things. We've talked the plant of things here. And we're not talking about plantograms that you think about in terms of distributing your product to look nice in the supermarket. These are actual plants. And what do we mean? Well, what they're selling here is a plant grower. So it enables the plant to grow, but also there's the light to actually enable it to get the light to grow any more. So self-watering and self-light planting. So let's have a talk. Hi, I'm Neil.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, so I'm doing this interview for Global Sources. There you are.
Thank you.
真梅大學。我係香港20年啦。
Sorry, I can't understand
That's all right.
Cantonese.
And 普通話？
普通话 and English is okay.
我在香港教书24年了。在香港浸会大学。我很高兴见到你。
我也是。Nice to meet you.
你叫什么名字
？You can call me Tracy.
Tracy.
Yeah.
Tracy, thank you. We're doing this interview for the Global Sources Launchpad. And welcome to the Launchpad. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Oh, thank you.
And your company is from Shenzhen.
Shenzhen, yeah,
Shenzhen. That's Zuzi Technology Limited, Analyst Choice. Okay,
Zuzi.
so it's a great.
Zuzi. English means soldier.
Zuzi. Okay.
Zuzi, yeah.
Wow, soldier technology. All right. Zuzi technology. So tell me about the product.
Yeah.
What have you got here, Tracy?
This is a smart flower pot support self-watering and lighting.
Right.
Yeah, you just need to connect the power.
Wow.
And it will self-watering and lighting.
Wow.
You don't need to do anything when you're in a business trip and traveling. You don't need to worry about your.
Wow, that's amazing. And what about these? They're different products.
It's different products.
Just a lighting.
This is smart wireless slab.
Okay,
yeah.
but that's not why you're here. You're here because of this special planter box.
Yes.
And a lot of attraction around here. A lot of people here.
Yeah.
Because this is different. You're growing plants here.
Yeah. This product and this product is same solution.
Yeah.
Also support self-watering and watering and lighting.
Wow. So this is for
plant vegetable at home.
Wow. So you're in the home, you grow your own plants in case there's nothing in the supermarket. You have to grow it yourself, right?
Yes.
Okay, so are you selling this to commercial people or for home use?
For home use.
Home use.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one is meet one family, 3 persons daily needs.
Really?
Yes.
This whole thing?
Total 80 pieces vegetable.
Wow.
Yes.
For
one family.
One family?
Daily needs. Yeah.
So if I replace my refrigerator with this, right?
Yes.
I don't need to go shop for
You can
vegetables.
plant the vegetables at your home.
Wow, tomato, orange.
Not tomato, just green vegetables.
Oh, green vegetable.
Yes.
Okay, sutai.
Yes, 蔬菜.
Sutai.
Yes.
Sutai and all the other stuff. All right. Now, and then we're back here, and after 8 hours, suddenly you start here, and then wow, whammo, and then we've got that final plant. Is that right?
Yes.
How long does it take to go from here to here?
About 30 days.
30 days, so
Yes.
1 month.
Yeah,
Wow.
1 month. Yeah. Then you can have the very healthy and green vegetables. Yeah.
Wow, wonderful. Oh, this is spinach.
Yes.
Spinach is good for you.
Yes, it's also good for you.
Good for me too, yes,
Yeah.
for muscle, yeah. Okay, Tracy, now tell me, how are you marketing this product? Through the internet? Did you do a crowdfunding campaign?
For this product, we just sell in our country, and this fair is our first step to promote in overseas market.
Wow! And so, have you had any interest so far to distribute overseas?
We just launched a campaign, crowdfunding campaign.
Indiegogo?
Indiegogo, yeah, Indiegogo. Very nice.
Just started.
Yeah.
So people can go on Indiegogo right now
Yes,
and
you
buy the plant. Sorry, planter box.
Yeah, at present we just launched crowdfunding campaign. Only one product. Follow me. Yeah.
Over there.
Yes, over there. This one.
Oh, this one here so
Yeah,
far.
already you can find it in Indiegogo.
Okay, Indiegogo.
Yeah.
How much on Indiegogo?
49 US dollars, include shipping.
$49 including shipping.
Yes.
And it changes light.
Wireless charger. A wireless charger, you see.
Put here, right? And
Yeah.
then what can this do? What can this product do? You charge your phone?
Charge can connect a USB cable.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
Then
just a light.
connect a USB cable
Yes,
and with your laptop or
Yes.
adapter. Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So what is the special thing about this product?
Wireless.
Wireless.
Yeah, wireless and 1,600 colors light.
Oh, 1,600 colors. So it
Yes.
can change colors.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
And also
So that's
APP control. APP control.
Oh, so you can control through your app.
Yeah, APP.
Ah, okay. So
mobile, yes.
now we're getting the idea of how it can be controlled. So different colors. That's amazing. So that's on Indiegogo. How many people on Indiegogo so far? How many?
6,000 US dollars is our goal already.
Over.
Yeah, over.
That's amazing. So now you've got people that you have to ship to those people.
Yes. After finish it, we will ship the
Right.
goods.
Have you received feedback from these buyers?
Yes. Some backers feedback this product. The color is very amazing, and
Wow.
some person will have many questions about it.
Wow. Okay. And have you received feedback in terms of ideas for making improvement?
Maybe someone said we can add a speaker.
A speaker.
Yeah,
Of
add
course.
speaker, and then it can be multifunctional.
Oh, so Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth
and
speaker,
lab. Yes.
and light. I like that.
Yes.
And then I'll be wanting to ask, put a coffee machine on it and everything.
Yes, yes.
No, just a speaker would be very good.
Yes.
So after that campaign, what about this plant? Are you going to do that on?
Next month we will launch a crowdfunding campaign in Indiegogo
For this one here.
Yeah.
For this one here.
Yes.
Wait a minute, behind you. So again, water and light. So it's all together. Is that correct?
Yes. Together, then you can grow up.
Wow, I like that. You're going to launch that on Indiegogo and Kickstarter.
Yes.
No, Indiegogo.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. And you're from Shenzhen, therefore you have the manufacturing facilities already set. So as soon as the orders come in, you'll be able to ship. That's a great thing that
Yes.
you have the capability to do. And amazing, amazing. This is the most popular
Yes.
booth in the whole launch pad.
Yes.
No, everyone's here. It's so busy here.
Yes, it's very special and
Yeah,
unique.
yeah, because no one else has a plant. Like it's the green. People are
We are very comfortable. Yeah.
exactly make people relax. You know,
Yes.
relieve of stress. You
Yes.
know, especially when they see the food. Oh, like here, I can grow my own food now. I don't need to go to the supermarket.
Yes.
Grow the own food. Wow, forever. I can just stay at home and not go out. No one ever knows where I am. I can just live on this forever. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, this is O'Connor with Tracy for Zuzi
Technology.
Technology Shenzhen Company.
Limited.
Yes. All right. Check it out. Check out their Indiegogo campaign. Check
Yes.
out their forthcoming Indiegogo campaign. This is O'Connor, Startup Launchpad. Catch you in the next section. Bye for
Yes.
now.